Ain't no intro. This is a piston that's over at Tim's shop. It's pretty mangled. A lot of you could pretty much guess what happened to it. And then he starts going on and on about, he's got to prep this valve cover. A lot of science stuff. I kind of tuned out at one point. You can listen to it though.
But it's partly because
right before he powder coats it. I think I'm just chasing threads here. After it was done. Freshly powder coated, valve cover. And we got our little nipple welded on there. Oil catch can. Peel all this tape off, we good to go.
we'll form it. I mean, really, like, what I was thinking is just use it, if this will be the shiny under, then we can use this as a sandblast stencil.
After.
Right.
Got it.
Just need to curve it a little bit.
Right. That's what I was thinking, same way you can do paint, but you contour it. That's a thicker metal too, so that shouldn't be too easy. Have to roll it on something. So I might live in Connecticut now, but I'm still a New Yorker, so my valve cover or coil shield or whatever the hell you call this thing. Yeah. It says SMD. Because yeah, my car's loud and obnoxious. So that's what it is, New Yorker shit. Jared. Right. What do I do with that baby? Looks like one smaller than the other.
Will they shrink?
Looks like one did. Looks like the S shrunk and the D shrunk a little bit.
But it doesn't shrink till it gets heat.
Oh. The sad thing is I have a GoPro and I never use it.
What do you want to be able to see?
My YouTube channel that nobody watches. This is a little short at the top. It's all right. I'm probably gonna hit this with like paint markers, or if I can't find like a graffiti artist or something, jazz it up, or maybe, I don't know, some stickers or something. But that's for the B5. So new gasket, which is in the mail, like a bunch of other stuff. I kind of could just get one locally, but the car is still running like dick. I bought like a pressure, like a boost pressure test kit, so we'll try to like figure out what's going on, because it still sounds like it's got like a vacuum leak or a boost leak or something. That's that for the B5. This dog is so annoying. Oh my goodness. And then I also sold another car, which the battery for that car was in there. Alright. So I gotta get another battery as well. So there's a cover. It's all powder coated black. I just got some powder coat in the mail. I'll show you that real quick. Relax, dog. Probably get it in the light for you. All right, so I was just talking to Tim at the Fab Shop. How much he wants to throw these on these rims. All right, and I'm hoping it turns out good. Hope it doesn't look too rice. The car already looks rice already, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna send it anyway. So Mayan gold black, whatever the fuck that is. Ain't no outro. I'll give this bitch a little bath so we can do the hood. Pull up and show y'all what these new rims look like. And not even new, I gotta stop saying that. Oh, that did not sound good. So, I have to roll these fenders, apparently. I'm just gonna have to raise it. Fenders are not happy. I'm gonna have to raise this shit up. Let's close the windows. A little bath. This is really after the hood. I might as well just wash the whole shit. Dude, maybe it wasn't the fender. It looks like the fender liner. It's got to come up. But this shit is looking kind of hard. Yeah, it's too low in the front. I'd be more comfortable seeing the back come down some and the front come up some. I have to do all four corners, it looks like. Yeah. Oh, it's fucking sweet, though. It's fucking sweet. Let's get it. All right. New headlight bulbs. We're gonna see how this LED shit kind of turns out. These are CAN bus, but it's German, so who knows this shit's gonna work, man. The electrical issues with German stuff is just endless, you know. So that's for the headlight bulbs. All right, I'm gonna wait for this hood to dry, and then we're gonna do this. Okay, that's the 60 carbon fiber vinyl wrap. You know this shit ain't real. Well, look, anything's gonna be better than, you know what I'm saying, a faded hood right now. Niggas just want to go fast, you know, put a smile on their face. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we taking it. Forget what's in that box. The door sills, it's already gone. And I think I gotta do these clips. Forgot why I put the bag for that. Just that, you know. You can see some of the grime I got from underneath it. All right, so I'm gonna let this shit dry. I gotta go around all four corners, okay, and play upsy downsy, you know, because I heard this side rubbing already, okay? This side is not happy, it's already rubbing, okay? I know this one's just too fucking low. Okay. I'm actually okay with this one. Nah, they all gotta come up. It's either that we roll the fenders. We have to roll it. Yo, my boy Dante's got the fender roller. I think that's what we're gonna do. You know what I mean? I'll just raise the shit, right? And then drive the shit over to, I mean, he could bring that shit over here, but I just want to drive. So I'll probably drive over to Wallingford. You know, it's a good, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes, not even, it's like 30 minutes. But in this shit, I'll probably do it in like 20. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna go let this shit dry. I gotta eat something. Oh, what a day. Crazy. Ain't no outro.